This 2016 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400S is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa, 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Deluxe Enhancement Package interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2016 Forest River Sunseeker MBS 2400S is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.